Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video, I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to have a conversation with your GA4 data. Now, the reason that I bring this up is because I see people are using Claude or ChatGPT or setting up MCPs to have a conversation with their GA4 data. We've gone further, so we've made it so that you can have a conversation with your GSC and GA4 data with pretty much no setup required. So what you're going to do is once you've added your website into SEO Stack, you're just going to click on Connect GA4, and it will take you through to select an account. You can import from any Gmail, any account that has a Google account associated with it. It's quick and easy to do. It doesn't require any technical setup whatsoever. And then once it's got the list of emails, we will be able to pick out our site. So I'm now going to connect this to the SEO Audits IOGA4. Click connect. And there we go. It's now ready to use. So we have our AI assistant. So if I just click on here, and if I want, I can have a conversation with my Google Search Console data or my Google Analytics 4 data, both together. So let's have a play with some GA4 stuff. So I would like a product sales report for the last 12 months on GA4. Show me the products sold and revenue generated. Can you also generate me a line graph showing me revenue and transaction volumes per month for the last 12 months? So you can do anything with this. Now, because it's connected to GA4, that means you can have a conversation with it about anything. You can have a conversation about sales, revenue, conversions, transactions, exit rates, bounce rates, most popular pages. You can ask it about PPC campaigns, social media campaigns. You can ask it about UTM source data. You can ask it anything, and it will be able to generate a report for you. So here we've asked it to generate a sales report. So we're just going to wait for it to put that report together for us. And you can see here, it's generated me an interactive monthly transactions and revenues chart. So we can see here transactions and revenue. And then it gives us an overview of the product sold. Maybe I could say, I don't know, which pages have lost traction organically from GSC data where the page's engagement appears poor. Can you run an audit on pages that have lost ground organically where engagement metrics appear to be poor? How I can ask it that. So what you can do is, this is connected to your Search Console and GA4 data. You can ask it anything. You can ask it to identify lost rankings, cannibalization, keyword overlap. You can ask it to find pages that were hit by a Google Core update. You can ask it to not only find the pages that were hit by a Google Core update, but you can ask it, do these pages have poor engagement? How much content do they have, and how much time do people engage? What's the bounce rate like? Exit rates. You can literally ask any combination of information, and SEO Stack will use AI to look at your GSC, to look at your GA4 data, and to help you really understand what's going on. And you don't need an MCP. There's no APIs. There is absolutely nothing to set up. You simply add your website to SEO Stack, connect GA4, and off you go. And you can see here, it's gone and got pages and it's looked at engagement, and it's generated me a report. So let's say okay, so could you generate me an LLM pie chart showing me traffic from each LLM AI model, i.e. Chat, GPT, Google, Gemini, Bing, Copilot? So we can get it to we can even get it to look at LLMs. So if you want to understand where LLM traffic is coming from, and you can also ask it LLM driven conversions, transactions, events, literally anything. So this will now go through and it will go and match to see LLMs. So we can do anything, and not only can we do that, but if we come back to our Search Console data, once GA4 is connected, we can select GA4 metrics, and then we can put what we want. So let's say we want to see, I don't know, transactions. And if we look over time, you can see all of our transactions. So let's have a look at clicks and transactions. Let's have a look what it looks like by month. So we can see the volume of transactions that we had by month. And we can do anything. We can do, I don't know, bounce rate. We can do engaged sessions. We can do absolutely anything. So SEO Stack allows you to bring AI to your GSC and